Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I created this look right here. Let me repeat that. This look right here. Okay, I'm just gonna say that this is the perfect look for Valentine's Day. It's very soft. We got a lot of pink going on. It's very pretty, very girly. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get right into the video. All right, you guys, so I am so excited to film this look. So I decided to do something, another soft makeup look, but with a pop of glitter. Like, I had to show you guys a Valentine's Day look with some glitter. So the first thing you want to do is prime your eyelids. So I use concealer to prime my lids, and I'm just going to use the Milani concealer. It's in the shade 145 warm beige. And this brush that I'm using, this is a Laura Mercier brush. I don't know what kind it is, but it looks like this, and it blends out concealer so good. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Huda Beauty Nude palette, this one. So I'm going to first take this shade, which is Teddy. So I'm just going to take that eyeshadow and start blending it in my crease. So after that shade, I'm going to take my ABH 825 brush. It's a little smaller than the first brush that I just used. It's the perfect brush to get like right into the crease. I'm going to use the shade Spanked, which is right here. This palette is just gorgeous. Alright you guys, so the next shade I'm going to use is this deep purple shade right here, and this is called, what is this called? Love Bite. And I'm just going to use the same brush, honey. Start on the outer corner first, build this color up and bring it into the crease. I'm going to cut my crease using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and it's in the shade Sugar Biscuit. I always use this to cut my crease. So the brush I'm using is the ABH A4 brush. If you have any round flat concealer brush, that will work too. So for the lid, you guys, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in the shade Day Rate, and it looks like this. I added the shade Love Bite above my lash line here. I don't know how I come up with these looks, but it looks cute. So so this is my Makeup Addiction precision brush, and I'm just going to blend this out above my lash line. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the glitter. So this is what the glitter looks like. It's a chunky, loose glitter, and it has like hearts in it, which I thought was so cute. And it's for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer to apply the glitter. So I think this jar, I got it for $5, and they're from Amazon. I had ordered these too. They look like this, and I can't wait to use these. So I'm gonna link where you can purchase this glitter if you're interested down in my description box below. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the primer, and I'm just taking a little bit. I'm going to basically put it between the purple and the beige shade, and I'm gonna tap it really lightly. And to apply the glitter, I'm using my Sigma E45 brush. So I'm also picking up the hearts by itself to like place it where I want it to be. It's not over the top, but it's just something real cute. Like, I would definitely wear this look out. So for skin, like, do I even have to say this anymore? I'm going to use my Pond's face moisturizer, of course. If you're new to my channel, I'm obsessed with this, and once you try it, you'll be obsessed with this too. So it's such a good moisturizer, especially if you have dry skin, especially in this weather. You need this in your life. So good. Doesn't leave your face greasy or anything. It absorbs in your skin really quickly, and it's like $5. So make sure you go to Walmart when you buy that, because Walmart is always cheaper. Alright, so for foundation, for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation stick in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. So to blend this out, I'm using the ABH A30 brush right here. I really only use a brush to blend out stick foundations because they just blend better with a brush. So for concealer, you guys, I've been using the Maybelline Superstay foundation as my concealer. Like, besides the Milani concealer, I've been using this. It's so good as a concealer, I promise. It doesn't crease under your eyes or anything like that. So I'm gonna use this. Like, you can use any concealer you want. I mean, all you have to do is just, of course, get a lighter shade and try it out. Oh, and I got it in the shade 332 Golden Caramel, which I thought was my shade for using it as a foundation, but it's too light. It looks so good, you guys, and it's full coverage, so I mean, it works really good underneath the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this in place with my Black Radiance Banana Setting Powder right here. So moving on, I'm going to use my NYX Highlight and Contour Palette in these two shades. These are the two shades that I always use. I use this shade and this shade. So next, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup in place with the Wet n Wild Coconut Setting Spray. This is their new one, and it smells so good. It smells so good. Whew, I literally drenched my face. We ain't gonna have no cakiness over here. For highlight, I'm using once again the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. So I'm gonna apply it with my ABH A23 highlighting brush. So to complete the eyes, I'm going back into the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take the shade Spanked right here, and I'm going to use my Sigma E25 brush to blend this out on the lower lash line. So you guys, I'm also going to take the shade Love Bite, which is that deep purple. I'm going to take the same brush and focus this more on the outer area of the lower lash line. Alright, so for mascara, I'm going to try out this Revlon Volumazing mascara. That's what it says right there. So for lipstick, you guys, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Trouble, which is my favorite pink nude. And I already lined my lips with a dark brown lip liner. Alright you guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys rock this look on Valentine's Day. This is the look for Valentine's Day, okay? So if you guys do recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. Please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more looks. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video.